Hi guys, how are you? How's it going? I am going to sanitize first of all because you can never be too sanitary these days. The leader of our church asked everyone, just inhaled some of that, asked everyone to participate, not even just everyone in my church, but everyone in the world, invited everyone to participate in a worldwide fast so that, you know, this pandemic would slow down and that the economy would stabilize and life would normalize and the people who are sick would heal, and just that our world can experience some relief from this pandemic. So I'm going to be participating in that fast. We're doing it tomorrow, Good Friday, April 10th. And so I'm going to start my fast right after this meal and fast for 24 hours. I am a big believer in the power of prayer and fasting. So if you're interested in doing that, join me. But I want to have like a last meal before I start my fast, and I wanted it to be something tasty. So I got some Panda Express. I've done, I think, 2 Panda Express videos. One of them was years ago when I was still in Utah, and one was like my comeback to YouTube. Probably a year ago now, maybe a little over a year. So I haven't done it in a while, and I normally get a bowl when I go to Panda Express, but sorry, it's loud. It is stuffed to the brim. But today I got a plate. So I got orange chicken, beef and broccoli, fried rice, and white rice. Get a load of that. It looks so good. I need some napkins. They did not provide me with any, but I'm always prepared. So I have some from my Costa Vida trip. Anyhow, this is what I will be eating today. I have not been getting ready every day of working from home, but I got ready today because it makes me feel better and more normal. So this shirt keeps riding it. So, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can hold this up the entire video, but we'll see. I also have some sweet and sour sauce for my carbon goon. My husband said he wanted his last meal to be a Big Mac, so he's going to get that right now, which I think is hilarious. Okay, here we go. I did half and half white rice, half fried rice. Come here, little broccoli guys. Okay, first bite, here we go. Stay. I don't believe in onions, so I'm getting rid of that. So good. It is so windy out. How's everyone doing? This is such a weird time. I've been working from home, but I haven't been able to do a whole lot because there's just not a lot I can do without my computer. Like, I have access to my email, but not our network. So I haven't been able to do much, and I was feeling pretty useless. So I was really happy the other day when one of my bosses reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to come in and pick up my workstation. So like my computer tower and my monitors and everything, so I could work from home more and like be able to do more. So I was happy to do that. So I picked those up yesterday and like set up my own little home office. We have a desk. Okay, this is like all broccoli. Where is the beef? I don't see any beef. Hello. Anyhow, so we have a desk and I set up my monitors and everything at the desk. And it's kind of nice to have my own little work set up. Okay. That does not count. What the hell is this? This is not broccoli beef. This is broccoli. That makes me mad. This is the only beef I get. Panda Express is only doing online orders right now, so I couldn't watch them as they loaded up my plate. It's too heavy to have stuff over here too. Oh my gosh. This is a mess. Anyhow. But how are you guys? I've asked that like 3 times. I'm curious how you are. I'm gonna check in on my people. I also want to get into these crab rangoons. I would also like to say something that I've never talked about over here. It's not that big of a deal, but someone got to me the other day. I love a crab rangoon. I will say, Panda Express has slacked on their crab rangoons. They don't even call them crab rangoons anymore. They call them cream cheese wontons. And the filling, it's not very cream cheesy. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like fluffy. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? My crab rangoons used to be good. Now they're very mediocre. Oh. Okay, but The thing I want to comment on is this. On a recent video, and I can't figure out which one, I went back to try to look through my comments to try to find it, and I can't. So I think they might have deleted their comment because they probably realized it was rude. But someone commented and said, I don't remember exactly, but something along the lines of, you wear too much makeup. If you were confident, or like if you felt good about yourself, or if you had self-esteem, you wouldn't wear so much makeup. And that bothers me for a few reasons. Number one, I wear makeup for myself. I don't wear makeup for anyone else. My husband doesn't care if I wear makeup. He likes me either way. I don't wear makeup for my coworkers, for my friends, for people on the internet. I wear makeup for myself because I feel best about myself and I like how I look the best when I have makeup on. I feel fine without makeup, but like I'd rather feel my best, you know what I mean? And so I put makeup on. I enjoy makeup. I have a lot of it, and so I like to like experiment with it, try different colors, try different things, techniques. I also sell the makeup that I use. It's not my main job, my main source of income, but I do sell the makeup and skincare that I use. So if I'm selling it, I need to be wearing it and promoting it, you know what I mean? So a lot of times in videos I come on here on days when I've done my makeup, like spent extra time on it because I've been filming videos for my makeup gig. But the fact that I wear makeup has nothing to do with my self-esteem or my confidence. And that drives me insane. That person doesn't know me, so I know they're just doing their thing. But it bothered me. I just don't know. And I get so many positive, kind comments. Very rarely do I get a comment that's not just the sweetest. But what's wrong with people, you know? And my thing is this. I think people are beautiful with makeup. I think people are beautiful without makeup. I think you should do you and do what makes you happy. If wearing a full face of makeup every day makes you happy, great, do that. If being natural and not wearing an ounce of makeup makes you feel beautiful and makes you happy, do that. And just let people live their lives. Let me go bite. I feel good about it. That's the first thing I wanted to say. The second thing I wanted to say was sorry, this is so good. I woke up to a Facebook message the other day from this girl I went to middle school with. I have not seen her since I was probably 14 years old. And I woke up to a Facebook message from her saying, "Hey, is this you?" I was like, "What are you talking about?" So I open it up, and it's a screenshot. Of a post in like a community Facebook group. And the post was, someone said, "Hey, does anyone know a Paige blank," and said my name, who lived in the city that I grew up in the year 2003, and who also has a grandparent named blank, my grandma's name. So that's weird, right? And then someone commented on it and was like, "I don't, why are you looking for her?" She said her dad had recently bought a nightstand from a garage sale. In one of the drawers of this nightstand, there was a letter to me from my grandma along with 3 pictures. And I messaged her back and I said, "Yes, that's me. Thank you so much for reaching out." This girl and I weren't even friends on Facebook. She messaged me because she, I guess, remembered me. But we weren't even friends. And I said, "Yeah, thank you so much for reaching out. Can you please have that girl message me? I would love that letter and those photos." And this means a lot to me, especially now, because that grandma of mine just passed away a week ago. Maybe 2 weeks now. I think it's been 2 weeks. So like that means a lot to me anyways, like a lost letter and pictures for my grandma, but it means so much more to me now. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. But it means a lot more to me now that she's gone. This is my grandma did not pass away from coronavirus. Thank goodness. But this is such a hard time to lose someone because I wasn't allowed to go say goodbye to her, and we weren't allowed to have a funeral, and it's been especially hard for my mom because regularly, like normally, she'd be able to fly there, go say goodbye to her. We'd be able to have a funeral. And it just sucks that coronavirus has taken that from us. So she mailed the letters The letter info goes to me on Monday. And today's Thursday. So, they weren't there yesterday. I checked the mail. But they'll probably be there today. Right? I mean, she's mailing them from like half an hour away. I don't have a knife, so I'm about to eat this massive bite of chicken. And then I'm about to be done. I don't think I got a fortune cookie. That's rude. Okay, here we go. This is a huge bite. Mm. Mm. Okay, last bite. 22 minutes. This video has gotten so long. My videos are never this long. Alright, here we go. The fortune is like already coming out of the cookie. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay. Here we go. You have the ability to overcome obstacles on the way to success. Can you even read that? Probably not. But anyways, that's that. Thank you guys for tuning into some Panda Express. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy and happy. And my heart goes out to those of you who have lost jobs, not been able to spend time with family, those of you whose anxiety and depression is really hitting hard right now with the circumstances we're in, those of you who are continuing to work and are essential workers and don't have the luxury of staying home and working from home, my heart goes out to you. I know that's got to be hard. And those of you who, like me, have lost loved ones in this time and can't grieve and celebrate them as we normally would. So, if you'd like to join me and my church in our worldwide fast, tomorrow is Good Friday, and we're making it a day of prayer and fasting so that we can all recover from this sooner rather than later. I'd be happy to have you join me in that. I believe in that power, and that there's power in numbers and unity, and we'll get through this. Like, it seems like a really awful time right now, and it is a really awful time, but I know it will come to an end soon. Anyways, have a good rest of your Thursday, and I will catch you guys next time.